Good afternoon, children. Welcome to RV online class. So today I am explaining you our Karnataka. This lesson is coming in part 2. So in part 2, this is the first lesson, our Karnataka. So in this lesson, in our Karnataka, in first part, there is two division that one I explained in previous classes. So now in this class, today our Karnataka, this is coming in part 2. So in this our Karnataka Kalaburagi division, now I am going to explain you about the Kalaburagi division. So in that first one, history, then second point, the war for the liberation of Hyderabad and Karnataka, then again natural resources, forest, wildlife, then agriculture and industries. So these much points I am going to explain in this class. In next class, as it will going on. So now today, so our Karnataka. So this lesson is continuing in second part also. So our Karnataka, in that first, that is the Kalaburagi division. So this Kalaburagi division, district wise, here we are saying that first upcoming Bidar, then Kalaburagi, then Yadgir, then Raichur, then Koppal, then Ballari, like this. Okay. So here, means in Kalaburagi division, these all coming districts. So Kalaburagi division has 6 districts. It have 6 districts. How many districts? 6 districts are there. So here in 6 districts, which are there? Which are the 6 districts? So here they are Kalaburagi, Bidar, Ballari, Raichur, Koppal, then Yadgiri. So these are the 6 districts. So the Kalaburagi division has the lowest place with regard to literacy. In our Kalaburagi division, literacy rate is less. So again, per capita income, yard per hectare, and life expenditure in the state. In order to understand the reason for this backwardness, so we had to study here all things. And again, the government of Karnataka had formed a high power committee for this all improving. Then again here it given importance to this Kalaburagi division is chairman under the chairmanship of the Dr. Nanjundappa in 2000. At that time, they given more importance to the Kalaburagi division. As per its report, the least development part of Karnataka state is Kalaburagi division. Now it is developing very well. So again, in order to provide special grants to the district of this division, the central government according special structure here to this division under Article 37 of the Constitution. So according to this, it is started the developing slowly. Before it is not developed. Then now is first point and second, that is the history. So history, even this every district of this division has rich ancient history. Means it ruled by the many great dynasties. So prehistory can be seen here. In the beginning of this historical period, this area was under the rule of Mauryas. This Kalaburagi division is under the Mauryan dynasty. Then it became part of the Shatavahana rulers. After the Mauryas, then it went under the Shatavahanas. Then again, we getting here many inscriptions of Ashoka that is found in here. Then again, during 8th century, Rashtrakutas also ruled this place. Then means Rashtrakuta kings, they ruled very well. Then many here Manya, when Rashtrakuta they are ruling at that time, they done Manyaketa as the capital city of there. But nowadays we are seeing that Malakhed. So here this Rashtrakutas present days Malakhed of Kalaburagi district. It is coming in Kalaburagi. So it is the capital city of Rashtrakutas. So after them Kalyani Chalukyas rule. Then again they done the capital as a Basva Kalyana when Kalyanas they ruling. At that time this Kalaburagi also under them. Then again Hampi of Ballari district was the capital city of the Vijayanagara kings when Vijayanagara kings ruling. At that time also this Kalaburagi under them, and they done the capital as a Ballari it is coming in Hampi, it is coming in Ballari. So here, this later during medieval period, the Bahumani kings came to power. So Bahumani kings they started ruling. Then these Bahumani kings they done the Kalaburagi was the capital city when Bahumani kings started ruling. After the decline of Bahumani and Vijayanagara rules, Hyderabad became the part of independent India in 1948. So Bahmani kings also ruling and Vijayanagara. Then when they both declined, the power is become the less. Then this Kalaburagi went under the Hyderabad. So this is going on as it is. So after that independence in 1948, Hyderabad it came under the India. Before it is independent only. They are thinking because they are ruling as a king, so they don't want to give the place under the India. But after 1 year, means 1948, we got the 1947 independence. So after it's 1 year, then they came merged in India, Hyderabad. So during the recognition of the state in 1956, Kalaburagi, Bidar, and Raichur districts, which were part of the Hyderabad Nizam, it will came under the Karnataka in 1956. Means before it is under the Hyderabad, but in 1956 it will came under the Karnataka. So which are there? Kalaburagi, Bidar, and Raichur. These are districts. So here again, this Karnataka Kalaburagi is the headquarter. It has its headquarters in Kalaburagi. Then Kalaburagi is the main place. Means it is a main division. So Ballari, which was part of Madras before, but in 1956 Ballari also came under the Karnataka. So it is the part of Madras. Ballari it is the part of Madras when the kings are ruling at a time. Then after the independence, after 1956, sorry in 1956, it is also came under the Karnataka. Many Palayagara became powerful after the decline of Vijayanagara and Bahmani Sultans. When Vijayanagara and Bahmani Sultans, Vijayanagara king and Bahmani Sultans, they declined. They not have any power. So means they not have any king to maintain their dynasty. At that time, these Palayagaras, they become the powerful and they started the ruling the places as a Palayagaras. Among them, Palayagaras of Harappanahalli, Sandur, Jari, Malay, and Surupura are the well-known. These are main places ruled by the Palayagaras. After the death of Krishnappa Nayaka of Surupuru, his son Venkatappa Nayaka, he came to power and he started ruling. As he was aware of the war of these Britishers, means here of the first war of Indian independence, he heard. Then he waged war against the Britishers. Means he started the war against the Britishers. And here, but the British captured the Venkatappa Nayak and imprisoned him. And Britishers give to this after him imprisoned, then killed him to Venkatappa Nayak Britishers. Then this Surpura went under the Hyderabad Nizam. Like this, Bidar, Kalaburagi, Raichur, these all places went under the Nizam. Before it is the Surpurs. Then again here, this Nizam, it will become the powerful. This Hyderabad Nizam, they become the powerful. They were merged into Karnataka when in 1956, after the independence. So this Kalaburagi and Raichur become the part of Hyderabad Nizam. Then after that, at that time they become, then after many years, after 100 years, then more than that, when we got the independence in 1956, at that time, this happened when the Venkatappa Nayak, he started war means in 1857. He heard that war's independence war first. So then only he want to kick out the Britishers from the India. So he done the war with the Britishers, but Britishers they took him in prisoner and killed him. Then that places given to Hyderabad Nizam. So that all places came under in Karnataka when in 1956. So which are them? Means Raichur, Bidar, and Kalaburagi. These all places. So then next. Okay, this is the war for the liberation of. Then again history over. Now war for the liberation of Hyderabad, Karnataka over. Now this is. So the war for the liberation of Hyderabad, Karnataka. So here Hyderabad, Karnataka. From Hyderabad they want to take the under Karnataka. With some parts of our Karnataka, some districts, it is under the Hyderabad, some Madras, some Maharashtra, that one. So here they done the war for doing one. When India attained independence, the Hyderabad Nizam was not ready to integrate his kingdom with India. When India got the independence, at that time, this Hyderabad Nizam, they don't want to march in India. When we got in 1947, but they're not given. So after 1 year, in 1948, at that time, they came under the India, they marched. So this engaged the common people who launched a revolution against the Nizam. Means they want to march the Hyderabad in India. So that's why common people they started the revolution. The leadership was provided by Swami Ramananda Tirtha, Sardar Sharana Gowda Inamdar, Shivamurthy, Alavadi, and many other peoples. They are were the leaders for the movement for this means revolution for this against the Nizam. So the government of Nizam started harassing the common peoples. Means when they started the revolution against the Nizam government, then Nizam government they started the harassing the common peoples. So here this the central government of India here means these peoples when they started the revolution against the Nizam at that time the people revolt against the private army of the Nizams here that is the now as a Razaks. They started the very harassing the peoples and they killing the peoples very badly. So the central government of India undertook direct action against the Nizam and annexed to India on September 17, 1948. So these all things are happening. So that's why here central government they took action and they took under the India on September 17th, 1948. So at that time, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was the Home Minister and Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the Prime Minister of independent India. So they took the hand that work and they took the Hyderabad under the India. So by this way, people's got the independence in Hyderabad. So next, natural resources. Natural resources. So natural resources here, the important rivers of this division are Bhima, Tungabhadra, Krishna, Mulavari, and rivers of the Kalaburagi division. Then Karanja, this dam is born to Bidar district. And again, red and black and alluvial soils. These type of soils are here getting. And here in this division, these are the means here once again I will repeat some important rivers are flowing in Kalaburagi division. So that are Tungabhadra, Bhima, Krishna, Mulamari, and Benetura. These are the main rivers. Other rivers are there, but it is not too long flowing. So then again, Karanja Dam, it is the board to Bidar district because with that water, here Bidar peoples they are doing the irrigation. Again, this division have the red, black, and alluvial soil also. And paddy is the major crop of the Koppal and Raichur district people. They are growing more paddy. Sugarcane is the major commercial crop here in Kalaburagi division. Sugarcane also major crop. Then again here the other major crops are cotton, foxtail, millet, and horse gram and pulses. These are also growing here. The forest is less in this division, not have more forest or dense forest. Then dense forest is present in the Sandur Taluka of Ballari district. In Ballari district, Sandur Taluka, they have dense forest. Other places not have dense forest. Bidar has the most less forest and Koppal has the lowest forest covering here. Means less forest, not have more dense forest, little less forests are there. And again, Koppal has the lowest forest cover. Means that area is not have more forest. Little bit areas are covered with less forest. Then again, Tungabhadra Dam. Tungabhadra Dam, it is also very famous. The minerals available in this division are silver, silica, gold. Gold means we know that in our mind, gold mines means in our mind coming two places. One, Hatti, another Kolar. So in Raichur, in Kalaburagi district have Kalaburagi division, Raichur district have the gold mine. So here gold mine also, iron or limestone, manganese or these all things are more here. Then granite stone is available also, that is also available in all the districts of this division. Then this division is not rich from mineral resources. Some mineral resources not have here more. So the Tungabhadra Dam provide irrigation facilities to Raichur and Ballari districts of this division, means Kalaburagi division. Then Basava Gara Dam built. Basava Sagara Dam built across river Krishna provides irrigation facilities to Raichur and Kalaburagi here. Before I told that is the Tungabhadra Dam that is providing the irrigation facilities for Raichur and Ballari. Then again one dam, Basvasagara, that is built across the river Krishna. So here this water also providing the irrigation for Raichur and Kalaburagi district. So Karanja project. So it is also providing the facilities of irrigation to be the district. So by the help of these dams, here this division providing the irrigation facilities for the agriculture, means for farmers for producing the more food crops or commercial crops, food and commercial crops both. Then here, forest and wildlife. So in this division, in Kalaburagi division, forest and wildlife it is less because here not have more. So this division is a forest less division. Here not have more forest, not have more areas covered by the forest. Less forest are there. So there are no big wild animals here. Big wild animals also not staying here because not have the forest. Wild animals if their houses means forest only. Here not have more forest, so that's why wild animals also not here. Deer, langur, fox, bear, wolf, wild dogs. These are the main wild animals, and these all are finding in our division, that is the Kalaburagi division. So Daroji Bear Sanctuary is in Ballari. So these are there in Raichur division, Raichur district. So here not have any big like lion, tigers, leopard, not have that way. Only small wild animals are there. Langurs means like monkeys, that one langurs. So deers, fox, bear, wolf, and wild dogs. These are we are getting in our division. Animals. These are the wild animals. Then again, Daroji Bear Sanctuary. It is in Ballari. We are getting more deals in Ballari. And Raichur. Raichur district also have the more deals also. So it means we not have the more forest. So we have the less wild animals. If we have more forest, means our area have the more covered the forest, then we getting the more wild animals. Then agriculture and industries. So agriculture and industries. Agriculture is the main occupation in this division. In the Kalaburagi division, agriculture is the main occupation. The average rainfall is less here, and crops are grown according to the rainfall. Here, according to the rainfall here in Kalaburagi division, crops are growing. Then as the average rainfall is less, the division is prone to drought often. Here rainfall is less, that's why here again and again droughts are coming. Means here facing the peoples. So as the average of less rainfall, it is the happening. So here, hence the district of this division are called as drought district because always this division is receiving less rainfall. So iron and steel industries and sugar industry, cement industry, and thermal power plant are the major industries of this division. In Kalaburagi division, these are the main industries: iron, steel, sugar industry, cement industry, and thermal power industry. These are the main. So, thermal power plant. This is the main industries in Kalaburagi division. So these have the providing the jobs for the peoples, means employment to the peoples here in Kalaburagi division. The Bidari art. So Bidari art of Bidar is very famous. Ballari and Koppala have large iron and steel industries are here in Kalburgi division. So again here similarly Yadgir and Kalaburagi have huge cement industries. Yadgir district and Kalaburagi district. They have the huge cement industries. Then again the tourism of this place is slowly little bit picking up, means nicely growing up. Then Hampi, Tungabhadra Dam, Sannati of Kalaburagi district, Khwaja Bande Nawaz Dargah, the fort of Bidar, Basva Kalyana, Hatti gold mine of Raichur are the major tourist center in Kalaburagi division. So then again, Hatti gold mine produce the highest gold in the gold mine. It producing more gold. Yeah. So this much points I explained. Maybe I hope you all understood these points. So thank you, children. In next class, I will explain about the art, literature, music, folklore, theatre, and dance, and again many other points because in this division many are there. So according to district wise here, I will explain you one by one. So thank you, children. God bless you.